Solid Edge provides new advanced PMI and model-based definition capabilities, allowing users to detail 3D models faster and easier than ever before, and to seamlessly share 3D model intelligence for downstream manufacturing processes and to other relevant stakeholders. New with Solid Edge Advanced PMI is the ability to automatically arrange dimensions on a 3D model with a couple of clicks. Simply select the needed dimensions and arrange them stacked or chained. If dimensions need to be arranged with respect to a smaller area of a model, there is an Arrange to Area option which makes this task easy too. This part lacks the necessary dimensions for the size and location of some of the holes. The new Auto Dimension capability takes care of this with ease. All we need to do is select the primary, secondary, and tertiary planes and select the features to be auto-dimensioned or even just auto-dimension the whole model. With support for planar faces, cylinders, and holes, it's never been easier to save time in dimensioning your model. We can even define tolerances to be automatically added to each dimension. The new Model View palette allows for fast interaction with model views and displays easy-to-understand thumbnail images which are directly derived from the model views themselves. Model views can be navigated by clicking on the images or using the arrow keys. It's also easy to create new views directly from the palette. Here we'll create a front view for our part to add some of the necessary dimensions to detail the overall height and thickness of the part, and also add a geometric tolerance for flatness. With new text box and notes library features, we can more easily add notes to the model views. These notes can include model properties, like the latest revision of the part in this example. There is also an option to keep the text parallel to the screen. The creation of drawings is a breeze through the new Model View palette. A right mouse click and selecting a template is all it takes to create a drawing. The same Model View palette can also be used in the draft environment. We will use it to bring in the front view and use the alignment function to ensure it's in the right place. The fit class and tolerance of holes can now be easily retrieved in callouts. Also, the ability to modify the color of cut faces on section views means it's even easier to differentiate internal details of a model and communicate necessary product manufacturing information. 3D Center Access Annotation is now supported for appropriate geometry types, giving users a quicker way to add the desired product manufacturing information to their models. Section view dimensions and sketches are now associated to the design body, making it easier to use them in downstream processes. The Copy to PMI workflow has also been improved. Now when copying selected 2D annotations and dimensions from a profile-based feature or sketch, once they become 3D dimensions, they are now automatically connected to the corresponding model faces. Selecting the PMI will highlight the associated faces. Solid Edge model-based definition allows designers to publish all this product information for use in downstream processes. This process is simple and easy, and the publish process creates a high-quality 3D PDF which contains all chosen model views and supports full view manipulation. Assembly documents can also contain a fully interactive bill of materials and much more. Solid Edge Advanced PMI and model-based definition capabilities provide new streamlined tools to detail 3D models faster and easier than ever before, and to seamlessly share 3D model intelligence for downstream manufacturing processes and to other relevant stakeholders.